I'm surprised that.
Oh my god! Like,
turn it the other way. Yeah. That used to be straight.
that was a good one.
Perfect.
You done well, Tool.
Welcome back to BA Performance. Sunshine and Panda here. We are going to be working on our 13B Renesis today. We got the engine pulled out in the last episode, so today we're going to take all the accessories off and try and break down the engine, see how good or how bad it is, what we have to rebuild. I'm going to start by draining the oil and the coolant, and then we're going to take the accessories off. Right there is a coolant plug for the block. Okay. Next, we're going to pull the air conditioner that was giving us the problem. We got 3 out, and this one we couldn't get out, so now we are gonna.
Oh, she's coming out this time.
Broken like the rest of them.
And it doesn't come out. We're gonna get it out. That's what we said. Yeah. And we didn't.
Vice grippy boy, huh?
Broken. Perfect.
Now smack it with a hammer and knock it off of there. Wow. Oh, it's because we still got half a bolt in there. So we gotta... Hey, dude.
Are you kidding me? It's all over this pry bar.
Mazda.
Wait. Look at this fucker, dude. Oh, alright. How much of it did you break?
Like the whole bolt.
Oh my god. Well, another problem.
Oh. How to remove an air conditioner from a Wisconsin Rotary. Intake's coming off next. And what do you think after that? Wiring harness, maybe?
I'm not really sure.
We'll figure it out, I guess. The person that sold us this car said that it has a twin disc clutch in it, and when we took the engine off we found this rat nest of clutch material.
It's kind of like a twin disc. There's whatever is left of the disc, and then that disc.
And then that disc. So next we're going to pull the clutch off of the flywheel and see what the disc condition is.
Look at all the material built up in this pressure plate alone. Right here, it looks like it's a feather, like a bird got chewed up in here. Oh boy.
Well, let's jerk it off and see what we get.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what's the condition? That's not too bad. It's got some
heat spots.
But it's pretty smooth.
But that thing.
It is a twin disc, but like a cheapy one, I think, or it's just separating.
I think it's separating.
That's a single disc.
Look at how chewed up she is, though.
Yeah. So we'll probably be sourcing a new disc. What's the flywheel look like?
Oh.
Yeah.
Same as.
A little heat spotted too, but.
I mean, it was driving surprisingly well considering the condition of all of this.
I've seen worse.
Yeah, I was thinking just leave it all together and we'll just take these 2 bolts out and take it out.
Okay, so we'll have to take this wire off, this wire off. Now we're pulling off the oil filter and this oil cooler line. We had to cut ours. Probably, hopefully, you won't have to do that to yours. Something come off. I need a 12 mil.
Oh,
just got enough here. We are going for the exhaust manifold now.
maybe it's 30.
Now we are going for the intake manifold.
Wow, that came out real easy.
The fuel rail is holding us from getting the intake manifold off because there's 2 bolts. So to get the fuel rail off, we're taking off this valve that, or it's the so like a vacuum valve that controls the valves in the intake. Okay, so that valve comes off with these 2 bolts, and there's an E-clip on this shaft right here. And then you can pull the fuel rail out. Okay, we're going to take the fuel rail out with the whole wiring and harness attached. So we got to make sure we have everything unclipped, and we're just going to start pulling on it and see where it's getting stuck. There's one. I think that was holding it on too. It seems like it moved totally.
That was definitely
Yep. Really? You're pulling the whole intake manifold off.
no, it's still not got to be mounted by those 2. No, it's not.
It's not.
What the heck? We were fighting all of that for that?
Okay. This is off.
I can just go with the wiring harness, I suppose, huh?
Yeah.
But this can come off now. Oh.
We're still hooked to this one. What a pain in my derriere. Okay, let's put this on the thing and, oh, is it coming out?
Yeah.
Yeah, pull it up. And let's look at it a little bit. So we're So, I don't know how this intake works. But I can see that this one, you can stick your finger in. But this one is solid, packed, full of carbon.
It's the other side that's
it's the other side.
open.
Still, there's a lot of carbon there.
Yeah, this side is exactly the same. Maybe worse.
Yeah, this thing is just packed with carbon. Yeah. Not worse, but not
better.
Not better. And look what we got here. This is just the gasket.
Yeah.
Falling apart.
You definitely had a little helicopter thing fall in there too.
Ah.
Yeah, you see, here's the gasket.
Oh yeah. So we'll have to blow that out or whatever. Never any animals were living in this. That's just natural. Okay, how close are we coming to now?
A couple of connectors over here.
What the fuck?
Uh-oh.
Did you see the reddish piece?
Yep. There's literally nothing holding it. It should come off.
Is it?
There it is. Ow. That really hurts my cuts.
Yeah. If you breathe that in, it'll take away the pain.
I'm trying. Yep, that's gas.
Spaghetti monster. Easy, easy, easy. Screwdriver.
Aha. There's the hook.
There's the hook. And you just donate to that to the Church of Scientology.
It's right there.
Wow, it almost looks like a rotary motor now.
Almost.
We took off this guard that was on top. It kind of protects these and it holds all the wiring harness to the top. Then next we're doing the thermostat, which is 3 bolts. Try not to break your oil lines. Connected right here.
It's alright. Just pull up
Wait, yeah.
or off to the side.
There you go.
The side of the thermostat doesn't look too bad. Oh.
Here's easy with it. Yep, definitely a fuel injector. Okay, now we're taking off the oil injectors. We got the vacuum lines off, you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well,
Broke one.
yep.
These, I don't think they're too expensive, but I don't know.
We can just use different lines or something if we need.
Yeah. I see why that
Yeah.
broke.
You don't put your hand there.
One, 2, 3.
No, just 3.
3 10 mils.
Well, you're right.
No.
That just fucked up. Now we need a new pulley.
Yep.
Nope, we bent that plate.
Go back now. It's flexing.
Yeah, we fucked that piece, which is actually important.
It doesn't look. Oh yeah, it's definitely got a work on it. Hit it with the hammer. Yeah, she's got a.
Yeah, we fucked that pretty good.
What do we do next here, Marshall?
So there's a big nut on the back of the eccentric shaft, I guess. And so it's like 53.5 millimeters, or it's a funky size, but we found a 2 1/8 socket and an adapter down to 1/2 inch, and then the Milwaukee Impact. Put it on there, and it came right off pretty easy.
Yep, I can't believe how well it came out.
Yeah, so that worked really well. Now I guess we're gonna try the same thing on the front bolt.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep. Hold on, the other side's moving, I think.
I'm gonna try a little bit longer. Yeah, we're turning it over now. Okay, so to break our eccentric bolt off the front main cover there, what we did is we used this whole jack handle on our breaker bar, and then to hold the engine we stuck a pry bar. Wow, and we bent it. Oh my god. We stuck a pry bar in the flywheel here on one of the dowels and a clutch bolt, and we stuck it inside of our engine hoist leg, and then Matt stood way over there.
Yeah.
And then I was on this end and basically stood on the motor and put all my weight onto here, and
Somehow that worked.
we were able to break the bolt free. So that's the trick.
Oh man.
I'm surprised that.
Oh my god. Like
Turn it the other way. Yeah. That used to be straight.
that was a good one.
Perfect.
You done well, Tool.
Thanks for watching this episode, guys. We will get to tearing down the block in the next one. If you guys would have done anything different, let us know. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, and peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.